It has been a long time since I've done a video. 6 months. I did a few shorts and stuff like that, but we were so busy down in Texas that that's our southern location where we winter. I didn't have time. I flat out didn't have time. And I really didn't have any place to set this stuff up, and because you got to do editing, you got to do all this other stuff. Where I normally do that, we remodeled that. So that was one of the projects. Anyway, that's not why you're here. You're here to see the windshield washer fluid pump on your truck isn't working. How do you change it? It's not a big project. First thing you want to do you have fluid? I'm just asking. Check to see if you got fluid. If you got fluid, no problem. Next thing is turn your windshield wipers on. If they move, the fuse is good, so you don't need to check that. Oh, by the way, this is a 2012 Ram 2500 HD diesel, okay? Is there a difference between the diesel and the gas? I'm not sure. I've heard that on the diesels, the pump is actually, you have to go through the grill to get it. But I've also heard that, no, you don't have to go through the grill to get it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the inner fender liner out, and then I'll know. I mean, it's a bunch of screws. You pull it out. It's either there or it's not. So let me get that out, and then I'll bring you back, and I'll show you what we've got going on down there. And let's get this thing swapped out. Never done it before, so let's figure this out. Here is the pump, and now that I think about it, I think I've actually replaced this once before, because that does not look like a Mopar sticker on it, or Ram sticker on it, or whoever they're owned by now. So this here literally just pops out. So I've got a bucket down here. Let's see if I can pop that guy out and drain everything, and then we'll take a look at the pump and get the pump disconnected. There we go. And we'll let that drain. Okay, the new pump comes with this little grommet here. So let's get this guy out and get the new one in. Yeah, that wasn't very hard. Let's get the output off. There we go. And now I got to figure out how to get this guy out. I always struggle with these. I'm not a mechanic, so I don't deal with this on a regular basis. I don't know what you push and pull, and is there a lock? I just don't know. Let's see if it slides up. Oh, okay. So I slid this piece right here up, and it disengaged. There we go. It's out. Here's the new one. Only goes on one way. Slide it up in there. And it's on. We hook up the output hose. Put a little moisture on that and shove it back down in here. Can't get it in there. Probably blocking your entire view with my arm. Sorry about that, but I can't get it in. There we go. It's just hard to slide in. Okay, and that should be it. So we'll run a test. Let's see if we can get this here to index in there. And the answer is no, because the connector will hit. So, does it matter? I don't know. I just don't know. I don't think it should. So, let's run a test and see if it works before we button everything up. Okay, let's see if the wipers work now. I put some more fluid in it. And they spray. So we are good to go. Well, there you go. The job really wasn't that hard. I mean, trying to figure out the little locking thing. There's so many different ones on cars nowadays that, you know, if it's not something you do on a regular basis, don't feel bad. I mean, we got it done. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, put them down below.